Hi everyone, I'm Jishi, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, working in Emmanuel Arasar JJ College of Engineering. So today we are going to learn about basic operations of string in C++. First, what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters stored together as a single data item. Now, what do we mean by characters? Characters can be letters like A, B, C, or numbers like 1, 2, 3, or symbols like at, hash, and so on. Now, let's see some examples. Here, hello contains only letters, and the string 123 contains only numbers, and string welcome 123 contains both letters and numbers. So, anything written inside double quotes is considered a string in C++. So, the next one is basic operations in string. There are 7 basic operations in string. They are initializing a string, accessing characters, finding length of string, concatenation of string, modifying a string, substring extraction, and the last one is searching in a string. So, the first one is initializing a string. String initialization is the process of assigning a value to a string at the time of its declaration. Now consider this example. In this program, it includes necessary header files such as hash include iostream and hash include string to use input-output operations and string data type. So inside the main function, the statement string str equal to hello creates the string variable named str and assigns the value hello at the same time, which is called string initialization. The cout statement is used to display the string, so the output of the program is hello. And the next one is accessing characters. Accessing characters is the process of retrieving individual characters from a string using index positions. So consider this example. In this program, it includes the header files hash include iostream and hash include string to use input-output operations and string data type. Inside the main function, the string str is initialized with the value hello. The statement cout left shift str of 0 is used to access and display the first character of the string, which is h, and cout left shift str1 accesses the second character, which is e, followed by indel to print each character on a new line. Since indexing starts from 0 in C++, the output of the program is h and e. And the next one is finding length of string. Finding the length of a string is a process of determining the total number of characters present in a string. So in this example, the program includes header files such as hash include iostream and hash include string to use input-output operations and the string data type. Inside the main function, the string str is initialized with the value hello. The statement cout left shift str dot length is used to find and display the number of characters in the string. Since the word hello contains 5 characters, the output of the program is 5. And the next one is concatenation of string. String concatenation is the process of joining 2 or more strings into a single string. So, in this program, inside the main function, the string str is initialized with the value hello. Then another string result is created by adding world to str using addition operator, which combines both strings into one. The statement cout left shift result is used to display the final concatenated string. Therefore, the output of the program is hello world. And the next one is modifying a string. Modifying a string is the process of changing the contents of a string by adding, removing, or altering characters. So, consider this example. In this program, inside the main function, the string str is initialized with hello. The function pushback is used to add a character at the end, and popback is used to remove the lost character. So finally, the statement cout left shift modified string displays the modified string. Therefore, the output of the program is modified string hello world. And the next one is substring extraction. Substring extraction is the process of obtaining a part of a string from the given string. So consider this example. In this program, inside the main function, the string str is initialized with the value hello. The statement str dot sub str of 0, 5 is used to extract a substring starting from index 0 and taking 5 characters. Since the entire string hello has 5 characters, it returns the full string. The cout statement displays this result, so the output of the program is hello. And the last one is searching in a string. Searching in a string is the process of finding the position of a character or substring in a string. So in this example, the string str is initialized as hello. The function str.find of e is used to search for the character e, and its position is stored in the variable pos. Since e is present in the string at index 1, the condition becomes true and the program prints characters found at index 1. Thank you.